Forex trading becomes easy when you understand the simple concepts. Do not compromise, do not make things complex for yourself. Now, understanding market structure. When it comes to market structure, there are two terms that you need to know. That is the break of structure and the change of character. And I have written down the rules that you need to know for you to mark valid break of structures and the valid change of characters, because this confuses so many people. For example, on a downtrend, we expect the market to move from lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, breaking the structure to the downside. So what is broken is the lower low. Then on an uptrend, we expect the market to be breaking the higher highs, okay, the swing highs. Now, when marking a break of structures, you need to know that it requires a decisive move past the significant swing point and not just a week. You see, when the market breaks this low here, we want to see the market continue to extend downwards, or we have an uptrend, we want to see the market continue pushing upwards for us to say that now we have a valid break of structure. That is what we call imbalance, okay? Then the second one, in a bullish trend, the previous low should not be broken. You see, the previous low should not be broken. When the market breaks this low here, then that is not a break of structure at this point. This can be that the market was just coming to sweep liquidity below this level, then continue with the same direction. While on a downtrend, the previous high should not be broken. Put that in mind. Then we consider the highest and the lowest point on a trend, okay? For example, at this point here, which point should we consider? The highest is this one here and the lowest is this. So that is where we are going to have the break of structure. Let's come to the change of character. Now, when it comes to change of character, we want to see the market break with a body and not a wick, okay? For valid break of structure, the market should always break with a body and not a wick. Then note that a wick might be a sweep of liquidity. Then, for confirmation of direction, you need to see the market give you a break of structure, a valid break of structure. I've given an example. This is the example here. So at this point, you have a confirmation that you're going upwards. Now, have a look at this. We have this market, then it breaks this higher low. Then, so at this point, we have a change of character. But it is not a valid change of character, because the market might come and sweep liquidity below this level, then continue with the same direction. So you need to know that sometimes the change of character might be liquidity being taken out and not a valid change of character. Yeah.